Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your YouTube videos keep pausing. So I'll be demonstrating this on my computer, but if you are on a mobile phone, then you can still follow along as the steps are going to be somewhat similar. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to your internet browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Then head over to the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, come down to clear browsing data, and then just select all browsing data, cookies and other site data, and also cached images and files, and then just go ahead and select clear data. Once you've done that, we then need to head back into the settings, and from this left hand menu you need to come down to system. Now if you have use graphics acceleration when available, if you have this toggled on like so, then you'll just need to disable this by turning it off, and then you can check to see if that's now fixed the YouTube playback issue. Now another thing you can do if that still doesn't solve it is you can try using a different internet browser completely. So for example, if you're already using Google Chrome, you can try using Safari or Firefox. And lastly, if that still doesn't solve the issue, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings menu, either on your mobile device or laptop, come over to Bluetooth from the left here, and you want to make sure Bluetooth is turned off. So this is the same whether you're on a mobile or whether you're on an iPad or a laptop. You need to ensure that Bluetooth is turned off, and that should fix most of your guys' issues when it comes to playing back videos on the YouTube app. So it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you still are getting this issue and I'll try my best to assist you. If you did find this video helpful, then please drop a like and subscribe.